Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. In today's episode, what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and check what is a friction arm and how you can go ahead and connect a DSLR to your friction arm so that if you don't have enough space in front of your table, how you will be able to shoot your videos, how you can go ahead and make any of your videos by using a friction arm with very less space. So I'll be showing you what are the parts required for that, because I have not seen any of the YouTubers showing you how to fix it and how to go ahead and see what are the parts involved in it. So I'm making these videos for whichever person who requires to go ahead and buy a friction arm, and I'll also tell you the cost of it so that you can get it, and it's available on Amazon, so you don't have to search for it a lot. So let's start with that. Okay guys, so this is a friction arm which you get from Amazon, and it's not that expensive also. It comes around 700 bucks. How you get it, this will be attached to the side, and this is movable by just loosening this, and this will not be attached. This one I had bought separately because this doesn't have anything attached over here over this shoe mount for the DSLR camera, which I'm going to get. This one comes for around 2 to 300 rupees, which you'll be able to get on Amazon, even that. So this one you can get there. So once you fix this, you can just go ahead and tighten this, and this will get tightened automatically. And same thing goes for this. But we don't require this mount over here totally. So we can use this for some other purpose whenever we need it, but now we don't require that. We can directly use the same mount by attaching a DSLR over it and then putting it into the friction arm over here. After I connect it to one of the light desk uh, clamps. But better than that, you can buy something like this, which comes with this hot screw, which is exact the same size. And the advantage of getting such a thing is you can put the camera over that, and there will be a movement in the camera. Like example, if you want to lower, you'll be able to lower it, or you can make it higher. So that's the advantage you get over there. So you can go ahead and try that also. But I would suggest you can get this type of mount, which is easier. Now first let's loose this up and straighten this up. And the main important thing is you need a C-clamp like this to attach to a tripod or anything which is connected for your light in front of your desk, or a normal pipe type stand. Anything is okay which is connected with your desk, which you can do that. I'll show you that in a minute. And a normal ball head on which you can go ahead, and what we'll be doing is we'll be connecting these two like this. After connecting this to the desk stand, and then we'll be loosening this, getting this upwards where we can go ahead and mount our camera. So let's do that quickly. First I will connect it immediately here itself, because that is not going to be a problem for us, because all you have to do after connecting this over here is to fit this in the other stand. That's the only thing you have to do. And this one you get for around 500 rupees. This one, this friction, this C-clamp, and this stand you get, this ball you get for around 130 bucks in any of the shops. And this is the additional one which we are going to use separately, which will be connecting to our DSLR. So first, let me just go back and show you what I'm going to do with the stand over there first. Okay guys, what we are going to do now is, as you can see over here, we are connecting the wires also over here so that we don't mess up any wires in between. And this is a normal light tripod, as you can see, which is connected to my desk over here. It is connected down in my desk. So behind me there's no space, so for this kind of things, this is very important that we use such a C clamp. So give me a second, I'll just fix this for you. So I'm just loosening the C clamp completely so that I can connect this off. Okay. Now I'm tightening it so that it sticks on properly without falling. Do remember, go ahead and give some pressure over here. So now you can see over here that this has become loose. So all we have to do is turn it as much as you want. Example, I'm going to keep it over here like this. So that I am displayed properly when I connect my camera. Make sure everything is tightened because you're going to connect your DSLR, and tightening everything is very important in this case. So this is tightened, this is tightened, this is tightened, all the joints are tightened. And the advantage of this is you can go ahead and turn it however you want. Like example, if I loosen this, I can even increase the height of this a little bit, or I can decrease the height. So height will not be an issue for us. Yeah. So that is done. So I will go ahead and next show you how we can go ahead and fix the camera over it and how it looks. Okay guys, so now you can see I will be showing you in the next video. As you're seeing in this continuous video itself, you'll be able to see how I fix my camera. Just give me a minute, I'm just going to show you how that is fixed and how easy it is to connect. Okay, now what you will be able to see is the camera is connected over there. The camera is connected over there, and below that is the extra attachment which I have got, and that is connected via the C clamp. That's what I have done. Above is the light stand on which I have connected this, and this is connected to my visa mount. It goes via a V shape, and the camera is also looking quite strong only. So as you saw, I've just gone ahead and showed you how the camera is fixed without any problem. I went ahead and used that uh, friction arm. This is available on Amazon for 700 bucks only. And do remember one thing, do not get the 7-inch friction arm, it's too small. Get the 11-inch which I have got. The 11-inch is about 800 I think so, but it is quite big, which can be useful for you for mounting your cameras, just as I have done it. And it is quite strong over here. I'm just checking it. It's my camera is not shaking, or even in video you're not able to see any shake. Hitting my desk now. At that time also the camera is stiff over there. And for extra protection, you can just put some velcros along with the visa mount or any mount which you're using with the friction arm, so that you get the extra protection also for your camera. What I usually do is I remove the camera after usage, but the people who are continuously using can just attach some velcros to make it a little bit more stronger. And if you have any doubts about this, please go ahead and leave your comments so that I can go ahead and help you out with this. And this Kamal Tech vlog, and I hope you like this video. And until next time, do like and subscribe for the video. And if you do have any other doubts regarding this, please leave your comments below and do subscribe. Thank you.